Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually forgot to show these in my alley haul. So this is a haul project share. Are these super cute little rolling pins, and I got them off of AliExpress, and I wanted them because of my tier. I have a 3-tier tray, which is like basically like a little cake stand kind of, but with 3 layers, and you decorate it for the holidays. And I feel like it's a really good thing to have if you like to decorate, but maybe you live in a really small place and you don't have the room. It's fun to just decorate the tier, or you're lazy like me. Sometimes I don't have time to decorate for the holiday. So if I just decorate that one thing, I feel productive. But anyway, they have these cute little rolling pins. I see them all the time in my feed because I followed a tiered tray feed. But I'm on Etsy, they're probably like 10 bucks. They're decorated, they're super cute. But as a crafter, I can make that for double the price, you know. Except for it wasn't double the price. This is like quadruple half of the price. So this was a pack of 10, I think for $9 or $8, somewhere around there, right around like $1 or under $1 per pin, which is, like I said, that's a tenth of the price. Just used some cheap acrylic paint, and I washi taped the edge, like right along the edge to get the border, and look how cute. These rolling pins are, I did obviously Halloween's coming up, so Hocus Pocus, a cute little trick or treat. Hey Pumpkin, these are just, I feel like these are endless, and you could buy these for like, I'm probably gonna buy more, to gift these in Happy Mail or to a friend that decorates. They don't have to stick it in a tier tray, they could put it in their windowsill, all sorts of stuff, or their little crafting desk. The examples I did see on like popping up in my feed and stuff, they had ribbon on the end, so I'm gonna have to dig through my stash and get cute like Halloween ribbon. I'm sure they glued it, but they had cute little bows, and then they stuck like a okay, well that's not a cute little bow, but you guys get the idea. Had a cute little bow, and then they had like a flat back cabochon like as the center. You could use your buttons or your charms, and this will be the cutest little gift, or like I said, for yourself and your tier tray. So if you guys do want to make these, again, just paint them super simple. And the font that I used is on dafont.com. It's a website that you can go on and download the fonts for free. So anyway, this font is called the Skinny font. Literally, it's like a Ray Dunn inspired font. The height of it is 5/8, which is about 0.65 something, somewhere around there. So that's how tall I did it, and then whatever the size of it that it was, from left and right, you know, 2 inches. This one was like 2.5, and so forth. So that's what I did. But I also didn't leave it like that. I did a offset. So if you have a silhouette cameo, you know what I'm talking about. I did an offset of 0.012, 0.012. Okay. And that gave it like a thicker font. If you try to do it how it comes, it's too skinny and it'll rip on your like, look at this. Look at this original. Look at that. That's the letter T. Oh no, can't even see it. So you definitely have to do an offset of 0.012. So yeah, that's what I did. Hocus Pocus, trick or treat. You could do these for our birthdays, all sorts of fun things. So yeah, I will link the pins down below. Maybe I'll do the font size down below as well, and I will catch you guys on the next crafting video. Bye guys.